Okay, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing a full case of Paldean Fates tins. First off, we're starting off with the Charizard tin. The most sought after tin. Shiny wait, does it show anything? Nope. Okay. See, as you can see the details, hold on. You have Iron Treads, Charizard, Great Tusk. Shiny Pokemon EX in the spotlight. Behold the breakthrough power of Shiny Pokemon EX, who transcended the boundaries of type and time. With this tin, choose the quaking force of Great Tusk EX as Ancient Pokemon, iron-clad determination of Iron Treads EX as a future Pokemon, or the burning spirit of Charizard EX as a dark type, Terra type Pokemon. Then discover even more awesome cards, the Scarlet Violet-Paldean Fates booster packs. The Pokemon TCG Scarlet Violet-Paldean Fates tins include one full card featuring Great Tusk EX, Shiny Iron Treads EX, or Shiny Charizard EX. 5 Pokemon TCG Scarlet Violet-Paldean Fates booster packs, a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. There you have it. Let's get to it. Let's get this card out. I'll take a look at it. I'll check out all the hype. Very gorgeous. This is a beautiful card. I wonder how much that card's going for on TCG Play. How many packs we got? We got 5 packs. So let's see what we can get. We have Woobat, Scraggy, Gimmighoul, Magmar, Mona's Backpack, Gravepolt, Ooh, that's a new one. Flamingo. Got Lapras. That is a new one indeed. I don't think I have all of them. I don't think so. We have Chinchou, Ghastly, Paldean Student, Barboach, Artreus, Donphan, Electric Generator, Maboschiff, Swoobat, Raichu. There you go. Dang, man. That's a good looking card. Flamingo. We have Nemona, Charmander, Rare Candy, Figurax, Kilowattrel, Artisan, TM Machine, Pidgeot, EX. I don't own you. Okay, we got some new cards. We got Woobat, Tandemaus, Wooper, Execute, Gravepolt, Kilowattrel, Kirlia, Chinchou, Iron Treads EX. Pineco, Natu, Paldean Students, Kirlia, Gengar, Flittle. I don't know if I own you. Magmortar, Armarouge. Okay. Let's go to the next one now. We have the Iron Treads EX. As you can see, I think that just says Quaking Force. Okay, it also says the same thing. But we have Iron Treads EX. Charizard. Oh, it says EX on this side only. Let's get to it, man. Iron Treads. I'm very happy with that first 10. We got some hits that some cards I haven't seen. I haven't pulled myself yet. Alright, here we go. We have Iron Treads. Clean card. I think we've pulled all the cards. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think I have Cottony, Numel, Swoobat, Moonlit Hill, Camerupt, Paldean Students, Annihilate, Gardevoir. Oh, what was that? Oh, okay. Okay. We have Tandemaus, Wooper, Execute, Mankey, Dashbone, Gengar, Electric Generator, Spiritomb. I think I own you. I did get you, actually. Okay. Maractus, Paldean Student, Lapras, Scraggy, Ninja, Donphan, Nemona's Backpack, Alakazam, Varoom. That is like my 4th Alakazam, I think. Haunter, Natu, Paldean Wooper, whoa, Tandemaus, Whimsicott, Scrafty, Pawniard. I think I do own a Pawniard. I think I did pull that one. I'm certain. Or maybe it was Bisharp I pulled. I don't remember. Gimmighoul, Lechonk, Execute, Chardent, Eno, Kilowattrel, Kirlia, Lapras, Bosschiff. Okay. Halfway done, we have Great Tusk EX, Iron-clad EX, Charizard. Nothing. Yep, there you go. Great Tusk. Here's Great Tusk. Great Tusk. Okay, 5 packs. 2 Pikachus. Alright, let's see what we can get. I haven't pulled anything amazing from this set yet. Kind of. Morale's very low. Flamingo again. Alright, I'll take it. I'll take another Flamingo. I don't even think I pulled half of the baby shinies. Dedenne, Noibat, Swoobat, Camerupt, Ninja, Charmander, and we have a Clodsire. Pikachu, Graveyard, Chinchou, Ubat, Moonlit, Donphan, Ninja, Armarouge, Ralts, Goldengo. Ooh, man. Pikachu, Fanfi, Lapras, Toadscruel, Whimsicott, Scrafty, Kirlia. We got the Mew. Bosschiff. I mean, I would go crazy, but I don't know. I'd go crazy, but nah, man. I'll be honest with you guys. I have to redo the premium EX collections. I don't know what happened. I don't know. It didn't record. It's just frustrating because it didn't. I don't know. I spent like a good chunk of time, and I got to do it over again. I gotta get it again. So a full case. Paldean Students, Figdo, Haunter, Connie, Scrafty, Swoobat, Electric Generator, Pineco, Cowpuss. So the Mew isn't really, I don't know. I would be more excited if what happened to me didn't happen to me. But nah, man, I just gotta get opening that again. Dang. I mean, I pulled 1 of the 3. I guess we gotta pull the Charizard and the Gardevoir at least. I guess we get another shot at that. I don't know, man. I'd be going crazy if I saw that card, if I pulled it, but like redoing that whole video and just looking at recording was like, bro, are you serious right now? Got Noibat, Chimeco, Ghastly, Paldean Student. I don't even know what slot that card was in. Haunted. Hopefully we get another one again. Fortress. So I can see like, okay, it's going to be in this slot. And then Mona, Charmander, Rare Candy, Tandemaus, Winkleoin, Camerupt, Garnackle, okay. Palafin, okay. Okay. It was a double whammy. I get Garnackle, finally. We got another baby shiny, a new one. I don't know, so I'm probably going to place that order tonight. Dang. Dawn Fan, Execute, Lantern, Armarouge. Got Barboach, Numel, Maractus, Paldean Student, Ninja, Dawn Fan, Nestball, Fliddle, Scrafty, Professor's Research. They only got 2. They only got 3 hits off this pack. Or maybe 2. I think this is the lowest pack we've gotten. Mankey, Fliddle. I see something. Garnackle, Eno, Tinkatunk. I don't think I got you. We are getting some bangers. We're getting some new baby shinies. I need to check how many baby shinies there are. Because this is over 100, but I'm starting to think like they include the full arts and like secret rares and all that. I've only pulled one. What do you call it? I only pulled one of the baby shiny guys or whatever. Alright. You're gonna be alright. Is Pichu in this set? Pikachu, Growlithe, Eno, Wattrel, Lechonk, Mimikyu. Oh. You guys are supposed to go over there. Numel, Natu, Paldean Student, Cottony, Eno, Wattrel, Clive, Lucario, already got you. Not bad. We got 110 left. Charizard, Lechonk, Clive, Charmeleon, Charmander, Ghastly, and a Fortress. I think the card was pretty expensive. I think so. Lapras, Mime Jr., Mepboschif, Barboach, Dashbun, well, TM Machine, Charmeleon, another Gamora. I need to know where that Mew came from. What slot that Mew? I'm probably gonna rewatch this when I put it out. But I need to see if we can pull another one so I can keep track. Frigibax, Dashbun, Mousehold, Ultra Ball, Cyclizar. Last 10. It's a Charizard 10. Say the best for last. Again, this is a gorgeous looking card. If I had to do mini tin, if I had to redo mini tins instead of the premium boxes, I'd be happy. I'd be very happy. But unfortunately, I have to do EX boxes. Ah, man, that's so tilting. Execute, Chardent, Clive, Winkleoin, Scrafty, Squawkabilly X. I don't think I've ever gotten this card. Maybe I have. I just never seen it. I usually see Charizard, Sparthas, Cottony, Lapras, Mr. Mime, Maboschiff, Charmeleon, Dashbun. Varoom, of course, I got you already. Wait. I got 2 code cards. I got 2 code cards, bro. What? That was the error pack. For sure. Nemona, Charmander, Rare Candy, Ninja, Donphan, Electric Generator, Varoom, Chardent, Varoom again. Got 2 packs left. Chimecho, Paldean Student, Figdo, Charmeleon, TM, Dashbun, Pikachu, Paldean Student, Raichu. Lapras, Scraggy, Mime Jr., my Boschif, Dashbun, Mouse, Judge, and there you have it. These are all our hits. Jesus, that's a lot of hits. So we got Judge, Varoom, Squawkabilly EX, Charizard EX, Gamora EX, Fortress EX, Lucario, Iron Treads, a new baby shiny, Tinkatunk, Palafin, Garnackle, another new shiny, Fortress, Great Tusk, Gardevoir, Mew, a new card, Clodsire, Flamingo, Great Tusk, Pawniard, Alakazam, Spiritomb, Gardevoir, Iron Treads EX, Flittle, I don't know if that's new, Pidgeot EX, that's new, Flamingo, another Charizard, and whoa, there you have it. Anyway, sorry again for the kind of not so happy attitude. I just don't want to remake that again. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.